learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The album Gourmand of Hakka was nominated for the Best Hakka Singer and Best Hakka Album at the 25th Golden Melody Awards. Singer Chulian Chin, also known as Kim, grew up in Jubei in Hsinchu. He's also the lead singer and guitarist of the band OK Bomb. Kim is considered part of the new generation of Hakka and pop singer-songwriters. Kim's album Gourmand of Hakka emphasizes his hometown and breaks the mold from typical Hakka folk albums. With a simple guitar, Kim gently sings about his own Hakka values and devout faith in a more playful tone. The album is thought-provoking and full of emotional expression that will surely touch its listeners.
Yo, it's time to talk about Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello, 大家好，我是阿斌哥 Leo.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And just a little while ago, here in Taiwan, the equivalent to the Grammys were held, called the Golden Melody Awards. And they have special categories for Hakka singers as well. And maybe we can have Leo here introduce to us one of them that got nominated this year. 其实才前一阵子办这个金曲奖嘛。
对，第25届的金曲奖。
没错，第25届。然后呢，这个奖项里面有比如包括客语歌手啦、客语专辑奖啊等等。今天来介绍一下。
好，有一位他叫做饕客阿哥。
饕客通常是在讲很会吃饭的人，不是吗？
对，饕客阿哥呢，他写的歌曲啊，就是主要以他们家在竹北的一个市场里头，他妈妈卖菜的一个情形。
OK， 那他到底叫什么名字呢？
他的名字就叫做邱连琴。
邱连琴。
邱连琴。
邱连琴 ，OK， but he has a nickname that has to do with gourmet food and whatnot, and that's because his mom actually has a stand in a market selling food as well.
他在大学的时候开始学吉他，所以呢，像这张专辑就是走一个比较简单的民谣风。
OK，
所以他在 CD 里面很多歌曲都是简单的吉他来伴奏，但是听起来呢还蛮清新的。
Okay, so he's a folk artist, if you will, and he loves to use the guitar to portray his music. And he got nominated this year for the Golden Melody Award. 所以他入围今年一项吗？还是
他入围2项，就是最佳客语歌手跟最佳客语专辑这2项都有入围。
So 2 nominations. That means the album must be really good for Best Artist and also Best Hakka Album. Go check him out. His name is called 邱连琴。
邱连琴。
邱连琴。And you have a chance, go check out his music. That does for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
按子 say 张磊了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.